Just grab my hand from him sin. Me tonight.
What is going on, guys? Ben Levy, aka Fiberthing SDK here, and we have a pretty cool video, another racing video for you guys. But today we're actually racing an SUV and truck. This SUV is pretty cool. I'll tell you guys a little bit about it, how fast it is, the specs, stuff like that. And then I'll also be telling you guys about this truck over here that my friend brought that is pretty insane. But yeah, let's talk about it. So over here we got a GLE 53 AMG. It's a 2021, so basically the newest you could get. This car is an inline six turbo, but it's not any normal turbo. It has some electric hybrid technology that basically gives it instant torque. And there's basically no lag at all with the turbo, which is insane, and sounds really good for what it is. It's definitely a unique shape because this is the coupe version. And I know you're saying, well, it's not a coupe, it has 4 doors, but when they say coupe, they mean the shape, so it has more of that shape. People either love it or they hate it. There's no in the middle, but I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, so this thing is just specced out on the interior. The exterior has the nice wheels. Just basically right before the 63 version, which is the V8 twin turbo, there's this one, and this one is pretty fun. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, it also has 430 horsepower and it weighs about 5,300 pounds. So it is heavy and has decent power, nothing crazy, but it's pretty good. And on the other side over here, we got a 2018 F150. But obviously it's not stock, as you can see. Has some different wheels, a lift kit, and the motor is not stock as well. I'll let you guys hear this thing obviously when we do the rev clip, but he's almost full bolt-on. He has like simple bolt-ons. He does not have a downpipe, but he has like everything else. He is running on E50 right now, and he should be making close to 500 horsepower, which is pretty good. And he also weighs, I think he said 52, but with some of the other stuff it probably weighs a little bit more. But these things should be very, very close in weight, and he should actually have a little bit more power, but I'm way better with aerodynamics. So it's actually a super interesting comparison, and yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, so before we actually race the cars, we're gonna do a little rev check, a little sound check of both the cars. Mine is stock GLE, so just saying that in advance. If it's not as loud as you thought, that is why. But yeah, so let's hear them. All right, so we're lined up here for the dig. We got our little 1/8 mile right here. My friend Alejandro right over there, he will be counting it 1, 2, 3 in between us. And yeah, we're just gonna go. I don't know, I feel like the GLE has like a much cleaner launch because I just saw him do a launch and it's kind of crazy. It's kind of all over the place, so we'll see. But I don't know, I have confidence in the Mercedes. I'm gonna say right now, I think we'll win, but we don't know. His car is actually pretty fast, so we'll see. Wish me luck, guys. I'll have the GoPro POV right now. Go! Okay, I got a good jump. But I don't know if I jumped it or not because I went on go. Oh. We'll go again. What happened? No, but I went early, I think, or I went before you. Oh, I didn't even have traction off. Whatever. But that was pretty good. I don't know. I feel like I went early, or I got like a good jump. Shoot, there's a truck behind us.
No, God!
We'll see what this guy does. Yeah? We gotta go? All right, no problem. We got you. Thank you.
No, God, please, no, no!
All right, no problem. We're gonna do digs on the street, I guess. Look what we're gonna do. We're just gonna do digs on the street. We'll go over there and we'll do some. I'm gonna just give you the hit when we go. No, he's like, oh, you gotta go. I was like, all right. Dude, but what's his name?
You got the jump on Jordan.
No, yeah, I got that. No, but I went when you said go. I didn't even go early.
I know.
I literally went as soon as it. Yeah. No, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna give him the hit if we go. Me? Dude, that was good. I think I just got the jump. But he was staying with me. He was staying with me. Dude, that was, you stayed with me like a really good.
I caught up your rear bumper.
Yeah, you did. Dude, I'm telling you, you beep. I know, that's what I'm saying. You beep so you could perfectly time it, because it's not fair. I get a perfect hit every time with my car, you know?
Yeah, but you have no lag. I have lag.
I know, so time it so then you don't have any lag. Just put gas before.
Okay, so I'll go on the second hump.
Yeah, okay. There's a hell. The helicopter freaked me out. Ready? Super close. He was pulling, I think, a little bit. That was great though, that was good. This truck is fast, guys. Like, actually, this thing is not too slow, and dude, that was great.
I think I beat you.
Yeah, dude, no, you did. We hit it like pretty perfect, I think.
Yeah, I started pulling you like you were about though.
Yeah, no, dude, what the heck? I knew you were gonna be fast. I said it would be a good race. We still need to, dude, I kind of freaked out when I saw the helicopter. I was like, what the heck? I was like, that's for us.
I thought it was too.
I freaked out a little bit.
Hell yeah.
You ready? Oh, he's pulling now. He was pulling. This thing feels so solid up top. You were pulling. It's fast. You ready? Gave him the hit. No, that was really good. That was great. Good job, Jordan, dude. I'm proud of that truck. I did not think he was gonna be that fast, but round of applause for him, guys. For real, that thing is quick. This thing is not that slow, and he's beating it. So proud of him, man. That was good. That was funny. So yeah, guys, that was a GLE 53 AMG versus a 500 horsepower F150. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys think of the races, and if your predictions were correct. Yeah, if you guys were surprised with the F150, or if you were surprised with this, because it can go either way. You know, at the end of the day, that is a truck. And at the end of the day, this is stock, and that's making more power and is lighter. This one weighs more and makes less power, but obviously the transmission is probably much better. Overall, the aerodynamics is much better, and just the car in general is definitely more sporty than the truck. But I think it was great. It was a lot of fun to film. Close races are always fun to film. Definitely a lot more racing videos coming up. We're hopefully gonna have a race for this car next, which is the ZL11 LE, if you guys don't know. And if you haven't checked out the latest ones, make sure to check those out. But yeah, guys, updates with the S2000 will be soon, but not yet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, peace out. See you next time.